Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest ones. The first one is *## 06#, and as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is pretty similar to the previous one. It is *## 07#, and thanks to this code we can open regulatory and safety information, so we can check the exact product model, where it was. So as you can see, this one it was made in China, and for example the email number and the manufacturer address. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *## 225#*##. So here, thanks to this code, we can enter the calendar information. So here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back, and the last code for today's video, which is *## 426#*##. And here we've got the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host port, time connected, signal level should also appear right here. As you can see, you can tap on the status and events to check some further details, like for example HTTP algorithm, last ping, etc. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can close the advanced view, and here you've got the information. Also, usually you will start with this basic view, and after tapping on the three dots icon you can show advanced one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.